That's right, on the angle. It might have gone a little bit more north this time. Looking for tornado debris. Potentially a little bit of debris showing up there. As I'm looking, there's a bunch of different ways to poke and prodding it. I don't have as high confidence as I sometimes do, and that's a good sign.
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Cheatham County in Middle Tennessee, Dixon County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Hickman County in Middle Tennessee, Houston County in Middle Tennessee, Humphreys County in Middle Tennessee, Montgomery County in Middle Tennessee, north central Perry County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Stewart County in Middle Tennessee, until 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:29 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 3 minutes. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Clarksville, Dixon, Waverly, Camden, Erin, White Bluff, New Jacksonville, McEwen, Burns, Tennessee Ridge, Hurricane Mills, Charlotte, Van Leer, Cumberland City, Sladen, Palmyra, Cunningham, Woodlawn, Cheatham Dam and I-40 near the Tennessee River. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.